taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
Crazy you are.
Oh, sorry. Sculpting, eh? Okay, Tanya, fala.
Good morning! Kumusta po kayong lahat dyan? Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Bon dia, amiga, amigo. Okay, guys, today I'm gonna make it a Nilagang Manok, Filipino style dish. So guys, it's gonna be yummy and delicious, of course. So,
Uma receita filipina. Okay.
okay, people, I have a recipe here. It's onion, garlic, ginger, of course, chicken stock. And then I have chicken,
Galinha,
I cut by small.
alho, cebola, ginger e magi.
Yeah.
Sal e
Salt
pimenta.
and pimenta.
Batatas.
And then chili, long bean,
French
and,
beans.
okra.
Quiabo e pimenta.
Any one vegetable you can put, guys. Cabbage, whatever. So, yes, that's it,
Ela
guys.
vai cozinhar.
Continue. You're jumping like a monkey.
Cozinha, okay. Ciao, ciao. I'm going.
Okay, guys, look at that. Galinha. Okay. Okay, people. Unahin natin yung sibuyas, bawang, and garlic, ginger. Ayan. And I've got chicken stock. Ayan. See? Wow. Kainin. Okay, people. Wow. Okay. I need to put the chicken. Ooh. And then mix together and boil it up, and then pepper and salt. Okay. Wow. Gonna be yummy. And then put the lid on, and then following the potatoes. Okay, guys, we need to put the potatoes as well. Okay, hey guys, look at this. Oh my God, so massive, beautiful. Look at that. It's great and nice soup. Nilagang Manok.
Delícia total, hein? Batatas,
Yes.
asinha de galinha.
Very healthy for you guys. I love like this soup. Okay, guys.
Que delícia, hein? E agora vai a vegetables, né?
A little bit of vegetable.
Feijão francês.
Wow. And
Chili, picante. What's next, huh?
the next is okra.
Okra. Quiabo, né? Quiabo. Olha só, hein?
There's the mustard.
Woo! Delicious soup, hein?
This is my goodness me. Wow, look at that. The missing people, but it's too
Wow.
full.
Delícia.
Alicia and Lee.
Vai chamar.
Okay. Wow. Okay. It's all cooked, people. Look at that. It's amazing. Lagyan na natin yung... Wow. Look at that. Delicious. Where's the patatas? Where's the patatas? Right. Hey guys, cannot see. Look at that, guys. Okay guys, look at that. It's amazing nilagang manok, Filipino style soup. Look, yummy, delicious, very easy and simple, but delicious. Look at that, amazing. Hey. Okay guys, look at that, delicious nilagang manok, masarap. People, look at that. Please subscribe and like my nilagang manok. Very delicious, very healthy, and of course, yummy. Thumbs up. Mwah. Love you all. See you our next video. Wow. Please subscribe and like my nilagang manok. Soup. Chicken.
Receita das Filipinas, hein? Delícia total, hein? Por favor, se inscrever no canal, dar o joinha para mais delícias receitas com Ricardo Nunes.
Antonia. Bye now.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A gentle maid with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.